opens that up right there. Ah, it got me! Hello, little minions, it's me, Bo Chevasu. If you have ever experienced a bidet before, they're magical. You feel so refreshed after your time on the throne. So this is a quick, fast-paced, down and dirty tutorial on how you can install this exact bidet bestseller on Amazon on your toilet. Let's hop right into this.
The first thing is remove your existing lid, set that aside, turn the water pressure off, empty the tank completely, unscrew and drain the existing tube from the tank, then go ahead and wrap the included plumber's tape around the threads, screw this piece onto the tank, pet the cat, attach the bidet line, reattach the source from the wall, then you're going to install these weird little cushion things that they provide. Put this little rotating piece here and the other one there. These pieces ensure that this bidet will align with pretty much any toilet. Now we reinstall the lid just like normal. Finally, you take the end of the bidet line, you screw that on into the bidet, turn the water on, and you are ready to go.
Okay, let's go ahead and take a quick little look at the features. So we've got the water pressure right here, so we're just gonna kind of turn that on. You can kind of hear it if you were to open it up. As you can see, that's the water pressure. So first step is you want to adjust the water pressure. So let's go ahead and turn that on just a little bit. And now if you want to flush out your little bummy, you're gonna do this one right here. And as you can see, we're gonna go slow, and it slowly opens that up right there. Ah, it got me! Oh, it got me. Okay, and now you're gonna rotate it the other way if you want to flush out the feminine region. So here we go, and here we go, and slowly. Oh, that got me again. Oh boy, now let's go ahead and turn the water pressure off. So there we go. What I like about this is that it automatically cleans everything in there. If you've ever seen a bidet before, they can get gross. So I would recommend actually getting the kind that actually cleans out. It kind of does the self-cleaning thing. But there you go, real world demonstration of this bidet, how to install it, how to put it together. I hope that this helps. These things are awesome. In the event of another toilet paper crisis, you will be sitting nice and clean on your throne.